The Bibliography Creator by EasyBib allows you to easily create a bibliography for your research paper, citing sources in your preference of style, MLA, APA, and Chicago style. It's super easy. Let me show you just how easy. First, we open Google Docs and click on the Add-ons tab and select Get Add-ons. Then, we select the EasyBib button and push the free blue button. We sign into our Google account, and then we scroll down and accept the terms. To start your bibliography, go back to the Add-ons tab and select EasyBib Bibliography Creator and then Manage Bibliography. A window will pop up on the right-hand side. You will see three buttons at the top of the window: Book, Journal Article, or Website. Select what type of source you want to input. I'm looking for a book, so I select the Book button. I can either type in the title of the book or the ISBN number. I'm going to type in The Hunger Games, the title. I make sure that the citation style is what I want, which is the MLA 8th edition, and then I push the blue search button. I scroll down to find the exact citation that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the Hunger Games Suzanne Collins Scholastic 2009 citation, so I push the Select button. I then push the red Add Bibliography to Docs button, and my bibliography has been started. Continue to add all the sources for your research paper. EasyBib will alphabetize the list as you go along. Once you've added your final source and your list is complete, you can attach the bibliography to your paper. I hope you found this helpful. Happy citing!